Hi and welcome to a coffee vlog. So today we're going to make a frappe and we're going to make it with Oreos, coffee and chocolate. So if you want to make something that looks like this, there we go. That's an Oreo cookie, so we've blended it with real Oreos, we've blended it with instant coffee rather than espresso. If you want to have a go, you want to learn how to make it, watch this video and I'll show you how to do it now. Okay, so your kit list for your Oreo cookie coffee frappe. Obviously we're going to need Oreos, got them there. We're going to need frappe powder, instant coffee, your frappe cup, ice, chocolate sauce and milk. You can use espresso if you want to, but this time I'm going to use an instant coffee. And of course your blender. So this one is a Tefal and it's Blend Force. Works really well at chopping up those lumps of ice to make that smooth frappe. Right, let's get on with the mix. First of all, we're going to add the ice. Then we're going to add the frappe powder. I'm going to add the milk. So I use this glass here and I'm going to use around about half, just under half. Just like that. Okay. In we go with that. I'm going to add the coffee. So that's 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. I'm going to add 3 Oreo cookies. I'm going to add chocolate sauce. Here we go. We'll pop the lid on. And then we're ready to blend. Okay, so blending really easy. We just knock it onto the first setting. Now that first setting is a little bit slower and it just helps chop all those nice pieces of ice up. And we can hear the blender chopping the big pieces up, and then we'll see the difference in the mixture and we'll not hear those big lumps of ice being chopped and we'll know that it's nearly done. So let's go. Give it a little bit of a shake. Still see some, I can still hear some pieces of There we go, just about ready. Okay, so next we're going to dress the glass. I'm just going to use some chocolate sauce. And I'm going to do a nice zigzag pattern up and down the glass. Perfect. Just to give it a nice effect. I'm going to pour the frappe in. There we go. And sometimes you have to just knock it back a little bit and then bring it back forward. Get that last little bit in. There we go. Really nice colour. I like that colour. Right, next for the cream. So you can use cream or you can use a vegan cream. I just noticed the other day in Tesco's, and I've used it, the Oatly cream, which is a non-dairy product. There we go. So we're going to dress this now. We're going to put an Oreo in there. And I'll put another Oreo in there. Somewhere, maybe here. I'm going to put some chocolate sauce. And then we go. Ready for the straw. Perfect. Going in for the grand tour. There you go. You can see that nice colour there. With the frappe mixture, the cream on top, the Oreos, chocolate dressing. Looks amazing. I bet it tastes amazing, so I'm going to go in for the taste test next. Okay, so straight in for the taste test. This looks amazing. I hope that it tastes as good as it looks. Oh, that is incredible. If I'd made that with oat milk, I'd have drank the whole lot. That is incredible. You can taste the biscuit from the Oreo, you can taste the cream. The instant coffee actually is really good in this product. It doesn't actually taste much different than espresso. So it's just 2 spoons of instant coffee straight into the blender. It was 2 Oreo biscuits there, 2 Oreos straight into the blender. With the frappe powder, the ice and milk, everything, chocolate sauce, mixed it up together. Took a little bit longer than normal to actually blend down to get that nice smooth finish, but you know, what's a minute between friends, hey? Well, perfect. Let me know if you make this one yourself. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what it tastes like, what you think of this product. But yeah, amazing. Really easy to make, really fast. Why wouldn't you make one of these at home? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have a go at this, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. We love frappes. I love making frappes. I love the way they look. They have a massive impact. So yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe for some more. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching again.